Don't throw the baby out with the bathwater is a popular proverb that warns us about hasty decision-making. The proverb means that we shouldn't discard the good things, along with the bad ones. We must take out the baby first before getting rid of the dirty bathwater. The message of the proverb is relevant in our lives as well. We should not give up on our goals or relationships just because of some setbacks or difficulties. Instead, we should focus on the positives and work on improving the negative aspects. To apply this proverb to our lives, we must learn to evaluate situations carefully before making decisions. We must also be patient in dealing with problems and focus on finding solutions rather than giving up. For instance, if we face a challenge in our work or personal life, instead of giving up, we should try to find creative solutions to overcome the situation. In this way, we can learn to turn adversity into opportunity. Moreover, the proverb also emphasizes the importance of preserving and cherishing the valuable things in our life. In other words, we should not let a few negative experiences overshadow the positive ones. We need to focus on the good and work towards maintaining it. We must also be mindful of our actions and words to avoid causing harm to our relationships and situations. In conclusion, don't throw the baby out with the bathwater is a wise proverb that admonishes the significance of prudence and patience in decision-making. We must learn to evaluate situations carefully, focus on finding solutions, preserve what is valuable, and avoid rash actions. By applying this proverb to our lives, we can overcome difficulties, bring luck, and succeed in our endeavors. In addition, we should also be open to seeking support and advice from others. Sometimes, we may need to seek the help of experts or trusted friends to guide us through difficult situations. This can help us gain new insights and perspectives on the challenges we face, and ultimately help us make better decisions. Ultimately, the key to applying this proverb to our lives is to maintain a positive attitude and stay focused on our goals. We must learn to persevere through setbacks and challenges, and not let them discourage us from achieving our dreams. With patience, determination, and a level head, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve success in all areas of our life. So let us take heed of this wise proverb and strive towards creating a better, more fulfilling life for ourselves and those around us. Don't throw the baby out with the bathwater is a reminder to be cautious, patient, and optimistic when faced with challenges in life. By following this proverb, we can build stronger relationships, make better decisions, and achieve great things. There will always be obstacles and setbacks, but we have the power to turn them into opportunities for growth and transformation. So let us embrace this proverb and use it as a source of inspiration and guidance in all. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.